Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today I will be discuss with you that is the revised chemistry syllabus. So let's start the class. So आमे समस्ते जानते जे केमिस्ट्री सिलेबस रे 13 यूनिट्स अछि तो आमे एबे यूनिट 1 रु स्टार्ट करबो यूनिट 30 जाय देखिबा कि यूनिट 1 टू 13 पर्यंत कोन कोन सब चैप्टर को यूनिट रे कोन कोन सब अछि. So let's start. Unit 1, some basic concept of chemistry, that is atomic and molecular masses and equivalent mass of element, acid, base and salt, oxidant, reductant, mole concept, molar mass, percentage composition, empirical and molecular formula, chemical reaction, stoichiochemistry and calculation based on stoichiochemistry, expression of concentration of solution. That is the unit 1. Unit 1 रे हमको ए सब चैप्टर ऊपर पढ़िबार अछि. तो हमें भी यूनिट 2 देखिबा. यूनिट 2 रे कौन सब चैप्टर अछि. एटॉमिक नंबर, आइसोटोप, आइसोबार, रदरफोर्ड मोड एंड इट्स लिमिटेशन, बोर्स मॉडल एंड इट्स लिमिटेशन, concept of cell and subcell, dual nature of matter and light, de Broglie's relation, Heisenberg onsetting principle, concept of orbitals, quantum number, shapes of s and p and d orbitals, rules for filling electron in orbitals, Affubu principle, Paul's exclusion principle and Horn's rule, electronic configuration of atom, stability of half filled and full filled orbitals. This is the unit 2. Then हमें देखिबा unit 3. So unit 3 रे हमको अछि classification of element and periodic in properties. So ए भितर कोन सब चैप्टर अछि वर्तमान हमें डिस्कशन करबा. Modern periodic law and its present of periodic table, periodic trends in properties of element, atomic ready, ionic ready, inert gas ready, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electron negativity, valency and oxidation of state, nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. This is the unit 3. Then वर्तमान हमें देखिबा unit 4 रे कोन सब चैप्टर अछि और unit 4 कोन. Chemical bonding and molecular structure, it is the unit 4. से भितर हमरो कोन सब चैप्टर अछि वर्तमान देखिबा. Valency electron, ionic bond, covalent bond, bond parameters, Lewis structure, polar structure of covalent structure of ionic bond, valence bond theory, resonance, geometry of covalent molecules, VS-EPR theory, concept of hybridization involving s, p and d orbital and shapes of some molecules, molecular orbital theory of homonuclear diametric molecules, then hydrogen bond. हमको यूनिट 4 रे ए सब चैप्टर पढ़िबार अछि. सो वर्तमान हमें देखिबा यूनिट 5. यूनिट 5 इज द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर एंड गैसेस एंड लिक्विड्स. सो से भितर कोन सब चैप्टर वर्तमान देखिबा, दैट इज रोल ऑफ गैसेस लॉ इन इल्यूसिडेटिंग कांसेप्ट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, बाउल्स लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, गैसेस लॉ, एवोगाड्रोस लॉ, आइडियल बिहेवियर, एम्पिरिकल डेरिवेशन ऑफ गैसेस इक्वेशन, एवोगाड्रोस नंबर, ideal gas and equation, deviation from ideal behavior, liquefaction of gas, critical temperature, kinetic energy and molecular speed. That is the unit 5. So वर्तमान हमें देखिबा unit 6 ऊपर. So unit 6 is the chemical thermodynamics. It is very important chapter. So now हमें देखिबा कि से भितर कोन सब चैप्टर अछि दैट हमको कोन सब पढ़िबार अछि. Concept of system and surrounding and types of system, surrounding, work, heat, energy, extensive and intensive property, state of function, first law of thermodynamics, that is the internal energy and enthalpy, Hess's law of constant heat submission, enthalpy of bond dissociation, combustion, formation of neutralization, atomization, sublimation, phase transition, ionization, solution and dilution. Second law of thermodynamics, that is the introduction of enthalpy as a state of function, gives energy changes for spontaneous and non-spontaneous process, criteria for equilibrium. Third law of thermodynamics, that is statement only, no description. Okay, it is the 6th unit. Then हमें देखिबा 7 unit रे कोन सब अछि. 7 unit is the equilibrium. से भितर हमर कोन सब चैप्टर अछि वर्तमान देखिबा. Equilibrium in physical and chemical process, dynamic nature of equilibrium, law of mass action, equilibrium constant, that is Kc, Kp and Kx and their relationship. 3 relations, that is Kc, Kp and Kx, inverse relation we have to learn this chapter. So factor affecting equilibrium, that is Lee Chatter's principle, ionic equilibrium, ionization of acid and base, strong and weak electrolyte, degree of ionization, concept of pH, hydrolysis of salt, buffer solution, Henderson equation, solubility product, common effect, numerical problem. It is all about unit 7. So बर्तमान देखिबा हमें unit 8. Unit 8 is the redox reaction. ए चैप्टर रे हमर कोन सब बर्तमान देखिबा concept of oxidation and reduction, redox reaction, oxidation number, balancing redox reaction in terms of loss and gain of electron and change in oxidation number. It is the unit 8. So now हम देखिबा unit 9. Unit 9 is the hydrogen. In this chapter, position of hydrogen in periodic table, we have to learn then occurrence, isotope preparation, properties and uses of hydrogen, hydrodide, ionic, covalent and interstitial and physical and chemical properties of water, heavy water and use of hydrogen as a fuel. हमको हाइड्रोजन ऊपर एक सब पढ़वार अच्छी यूनिट 9 रे. वर्तमान आम डिस्कसन करबा यूनिट 10. यूनिट 10 इज द एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट जो थरे कि हमर अल्काइल एंड अल्कालाइन अर्थ मेटल्स ऊपर हमको पढ़वार अच्छी. सो ग्रुप 1 एंड ग्रुप 2 एलिमेंट्स रे हमको पढ़वार अच्छी जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन, electronic configuration, occurrence and anomalies, properties of the first element of each group, diagonal relationship, trends in the variation property, trends in the chemical reactivity with oxygen and halogens uses. हमको इतनी पढ़िबार अछि यूनिट 10 रे. हमें यूनिट 11 रे पढ़िबार अछि some p block element, that is general introduction to p block element, group 13 elements and group 14 elements. Group 13 elements हमको पढ़िबार अछि general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, variation of properties, oxidation state, trends in chemical reactivity, anomalies, property of first element of group, boron, physical and chemical properties. Group 14 elements हमको पढ़िबार अछि general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, variation of properties, oxidation state, trends and chemical reactivity, anomalies, behaviors of first element, carbon categorization, allotropic forms, physical and chemical properties, uses of some important compounds, oxides, important compounds of silicon zeolites and their uses. So वर्तमान आमे देखिबा यूनिट 12 रे कोन सब चैप्टर अछि. यूनिट 12 is the organic chemistry. In the chemistry has two branches, that is inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. As we learn, that is the inorganic chemistry, but now unit 12 we learn organic chemistry. Some basic principle and technique, that is general introduction, classification, IUPAC, nomenclature of organic compounds, electronic displacement and covalent bond, inductive effect, electromagnetic effect and resonance, and hyperconjunction, hemolytic and heterolytic fission, a covalent bond, free radicals, carbocation and carbonation, electrophils and nucleophils, types of organic reaction. then हमको पढ़वार अछि यूनिट 13. यूनिट 13 रे कोन सब अछि वर्तमान देखिबा. यूनिट 13 is the hydrocarbon, classification of hydrocarbon, aliphatic of hydrocarbon, alkanes, nomenclature, isomerism, conversion, methods of preparation from unsaturated hydrocarbon, halides, carbolic acid, physical properties and chemical reaction including the radicals, mechanism of halogens, combustion and control of oxidation, isomerization, aromatization with Strong's paralysis. Alkanes रमो पढ़वार अछि nomenclature, structure of double bond, geometrical isomerism, method of preparation from alkalines, alkylaldehyde, BCaldehyde, alcohol, physical properties, chemical reaction, addition of hydrogen, halogen, water, hydrogen and aldehyde, sulfuric acid, ozopolysis, oxidation, polymerization and mechanical and electric addition of reaction. Alkanines रे हमको पढ़िबार अछि nomenclature, structure of triple bond, method of preparation from calcium carbide and BCaldehyde, physical properties and chemical reaction, acid character of alkalines, addition of hydrogen, halogens, hydrogen aldehyde, water and polymerization, aromatic hydrogen, introduction of IUPAC nomenclature, benzene, resonance, aromaticity, preparation of benzene from acetylene, phenol and aromatic acid, chemical properties and mechanism of electrophilic substitution, nitrogen, sulfonation, halonization, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation, addition of hydrogen, addition of chlorine combustion. It is all about plus 2 first year chemistry syllabus. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, you can tell me through comment. Thank you.